Good day, sir. I am Cesar Ayan Aria, and I will reciting the 3 sets of 10 commandments. First set is a self-driving safety 10 commandments. First is, I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. Number 2, I will not pass without care on curbs, nor hills, nor the view is unseen by my eyes. Number 3 is, I will not violate speed laws, nor exceed speed limit. Number 4, I do not disobey highway signs and traffic signals. Number 5, I do not make a twist without signaling my intentions. Number 6, I do not accelerate my speed at school, playgrounds, hospital, and other dangerous zones. Number 7, I will not be careless when crossing at intersections. And number 8, I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. Number 9, I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. Number 10, I will be courteous and respectful of the rights of every drivers and the pedestrians. Then the next set of 10 commandments are self-traveler. Number 1, thou shalt not gaze at thy phone. Number 2, thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. Number 3, thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. Number 4, thou shalt not take in any chances. Number 5, thou shalt buckle up decades. Number 6, thou shalt not drive on thou shalt not drive on the right. Number 7, thou shalt not drive with one light or with faulty light. Number 8, thou shalt adhere to the speed limit. Number 9, thou shalt keep the distance. Number 10, thou shalt practice patience. And the last 10 set of commandments are self-clearance. Number 1, keep right. Number 2, observe road courtesy. Number 3, prohibited parking. Number 4, if in doubt, do not overtake. Number 5, the bus stop rule, lining up on the bus stop zone. Number 6, rule to prevent or untangle traffic jams. Number 7, observe traffic management measures. Number 8, the philosophy of Pinoy driver, first come, first serve vehicle. Number 9, on pedestrian. Number 10, remember the international driving safety reminders. And that's all for the sets. Thank you.